A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Maybe you hear some message from some people where say a God send them, but you're not so sure. So you want to go back, go check to see if a really God did say so. Today, I'm going to read from the book named Acts, chapter 17, from verse 1 to verse 15. After them passed through Amphipolis and Apollonia, them reached at Thessalonica, where the Jew them did have one church. And like him always do, Paul go in at the Jew them church. For 3 Sabbath, him use God word for argue with them. Him show them and help them to understand what it mean when God word say Christ Jesus did have to suffer and come back alive. Him say, that same Jesus here, when me are telling about, him are the one where God sent come to save people. Some of the Jew them believe what Paul did say are true. So then join Paul and Silas. Some whole heap of Greek people will worship God, and enough woman who for husband them are the top man. But the Jew them get vexed. Say so much people did join up with Paul and Silas. So them get up some workless idler from the market, farm one passy and start to kick up rumpus, galang bad and turn the city upside down. The Jew leader them go stone Jason yard and look for Paul and Silas to drag them in front of the ruler them. When they not find them drag Jason and some of the church brother them in front of the city ruler them a ball out. Them people here, we make trouble everywhere. Then come here too. And Jason take them in and I keep them in a house. All of them are go against Caesar law. I chat about our next king they bout, named Jesus. And the crowd of people and the city ruler them, they get confused when them hear what the Jew leader and them posse did I say. After the city ruler them collect bail money for Jason and the other brother them let them go. When night come, the brother and sister them send away Paul and Silas same time, go a burial. When they reach there, them go to the Jew them church. The Jew them where they are Thessalonica, they lock up their mind against God message. But the one them where they are burial, them listen good because them did well want to hear the message. So every day, them look hard in a God word to see if what Paul did I say match up with what write down in a God word. So enough of them believe. Enough of the Greek woman them will come from rich family and the important man them too. But when the Jew them from Thessalonica hear say Paul did a preach God word in a burial, them come there so too for come rile up the crowd. Then same time, the brother and sister them send where Paul go see, but Silas and Timothy turn a burial. The one them we go with Paul, sail with him, go clear Athens. Then after Paul give them one message to tell Silas and Timothy for Mikias come to him, them left him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.